How to fix cellular data not working or very slow on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Now head towards the option of mobile service. Open the option mobile data options. Make sure you have toggle off for the option low data mode. Likewise, open this option voice and data. Set it to 4G or 5G. Now head back. Go to this option network selection. Make sure you have toggle on for the option automatic. After you check these settings, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings, scroll down, open the option general, open the option software update. If any software updates are available over here, just update it to latest version. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, scroll down, open the option VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Now head back, scroll all the way down, click on this option transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset network settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process to reset network settings. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix cellular data not working or very slow on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.